Morning, folks. Welcome back to the workshop walk around. I hope you've had a good bank holiday weekend. I know we did. Carrying on with all the work that we've got in here. Up Chief Sweeping. He's got some new stock to put in. So we've got some more cappuccino mainly for John, because he's just about the only person that drinks it. Coffee Mate Coffee, Blue Roll, Smellies, and all that business. You don't really want to know about that. So what you do want to know about is what we've got in the workshop. So full service. I'm on with this Triumph Speedmaster here, as you can see. I've got the rocker cover off, the spark plug's out, the oil is draining, and all the other ancillary bits and bobs that I've had to take off to get to the innards. So I'm on with that. I'm also on with this one. This has been with us a while now, but he was a very patient guy. We're in no rush. Couldn't wait for the booking in, so he just decided to dump it and leave it with us. But I'm nearly at the finish line with that one. I've just got to put it back together. It has had a full service. And what else have I done? I've done a few other bits. Oh, it's had the charging system sorted as well. But yeah, I've just got to piece that one back together. Neil's on with this one. Full service. There's another full service. That one has had its full service. We're just waiting for Ali to come and collect it. The GSX-R has had its fork seals done. The Ali's still waiting for the cables to arrive for the custom bar conversion. What else? There's my face. And what have we got out here? What have we got? Let's have a look. Right, so John's Triumph 765, brand new, been dropped off. We're fitting a few accessories on that before he takes it. He wants to make sure the rad's protected, and he wants a tail tidy on, and I've got a whole host of parts for that one. Waving at the ladies, as I always do, and all getting run over. So Wayne's here is in for, it's got a bit of an oil leak on the right hand rocker cover, I believe. And then that'll just be a basic service. Fork seals on the ST1300, ZX9R, that needs bringing back to the land of the living and a full service. Fork seals on this one. That's failed its MOT, needs a tyre and a couple other bits. There's Chewy from next door looking all grimacing faced at me. Because he knows how awesome I am at these video walk-arounds, and that is Billy. Look, Billy's doing a there. Fantastic man at cleaning bikes. That is waiting for, what is that waiting for? Steve, I know it's Steve. Steve's needs brake pads. So pair of tyres for this one. What's up?
Miss Piggy, isn't it?
Miss Piggy, no, that's Kermit.
No, it's waiting for Miss Piggy.
It's waiting for Miss Piggy. No, well, I've none of that round here, thank you very much. So the Rocket 3 is also for a full service, and the NC750, as everyone has seen, has been waiting to be collected for quite some time now. So that's everything out here, and pretty much most of what we're getting there. So thanks for watching. A bit of a long one, but it's been a few days since the last one, so we'll see you next time.